welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for raspberry cream pie. Let's get started. First of all, our ingredients. We need 1 large or 2 small prepared graham cracker crusts. If you need a recipe, see the link in the card. 12 to 16 ounces or 350 to 450 grams of fresh or frozen raspberries. 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar. 3 tablespoons cornstarch, 3 tablespoons cold water, 8 ounces or 225 grams of full-fat cream cheese, 3/4 cup or 90 grams of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of whipping cream. Before you do anything else, you need to prepare the raspberries. Put the fresh or frozen raspberries in a medium saucepan along with the sugar. Heat over medium-high heat. When the mixture becomes more liquid, add the cornstarch mixed with cold water. Allow to come to a boil, stirring frequently. Continue to boil until the mixture begins to thicken. Remove from heat and allow to cool completely. While the raspberry mixture is cooling, beat the cream cheese in a large mixing bowl. Mix in powdered sugar, lemon juice, and vanilla. In a separate bowl, beat the whipping cream until it reaches soft peaks. Fold into cream cheese mixture. Pour cream cheese mixture into the prepared graham cracker crusts. Gently spoon the cooled raspberry mixture onto the cream cheese mixture. Chill the pie in the fridge for at least 4 hours. This raspberry cream pie is creamy and tart. It's a great no-bake recipe. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.